Hey guys, so today I wanted to record a video about how you can filter your products by price in your site's header. And so this is going to allow your customers to, look at a collection, look at whatever price they want to be browsing at, and just click that price and go straight to that collection. So the good thing about this is it actually doesn't require any coding whatsoever. The thing to note is that this is only going to work if filtering collections by price is already implemented in your theme. Most of the Online Store 2.0 themes have this feature implemented, so you're probably not going to have to worry about it, but that is something to double check. So you'll notice here, I'm on my test site, monkeybusiness.biz, and here we have a variety of monkey products at a variety of different prices here. And so what you notice is we can sort them, filter them by price. And so this is nothing new. If I go $0 to $30, you'll notice it's going to filter out everything that isn't in that range. The other thing that you can do as well is you can also put in here from 20 and leave the other one blank, and it'll filter 20 to an infinite price. So that's all well and good and helpful, but that's it's already in the theme, and you guys already probably knew about that. Now, the thing that I'm going to call your attention to is when we are applying these filters, it's actually changing the URL up here and then filtering accordingly, right? But we can use that URL as any sort of just a regular URL, right? So if we copy paste that into a new window, you'll see that we actually get routed to that page. You can use that URL anywhere, and this includes the navigation pane for settings here. So, for instance, if we wanted to take this and let's put a more realistic price here and go from like $0 to $20, and we take this URL, grab this, and that can become our new price range 1 here, right? So if I edit this, say this is $0 to 20 USD. And for this link, I'm going to go ahead and copy paste this here, and make sure you click on this, and that's going to hook up the link, and I hit apply changes here, and once I've applied that and saved that, now when I refresh my site here, alright, so you'll notice now that this by price range says $0 to 20 US dollars here, and when I click on that, let me go ahead and remove these, and then I'll click on this, and you'll see that it actually filters these products 0 to 20. Yeah, I thought that was interesting, especially being that it requires no code, so I wanted to share that feature with you guys. And I'm going to start posting more regularly to this channel, so if you guys want to level up your Shopify site and whatnot, go ahead and hit subscribe, and I appreciate every comment, every like, every subscription that I get, and I'll see you guys in the next video.